Okay, you guys, so today we are working with 2007 Xkr, and no, I'm not wearing mask because of COVID. I'm not really afraid of that. I am wearing it because there's just so much dust and sand and debris that I am trying to clean out of the radiator. I will show you guys. I just got started, and all this crap was in the radiator. Okay, and there's more. There is more. Let me see. I don't know if you guys can get in there and see, but so what I'm doing is I am using a device like this with a toothbrush and actually going in there and cleaning everything out and then tapping on the radiator to get all this crap out. Yes, it's a slow process, but it does work. Would definitely recommend it if you have a high mileage car, Xkr, especially if you're pushing it for performance. So, yeah.